Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done a lot of videos on nodes, and I've probably done one almost like this, but I'm going to go in a little bit more depth. First of all, to add nodes. These are straight line nodes, and to get your nodes, you have to go to your shape tool. I've made my nodes extra large for the video. If I select these two nodes right here and go up here and right or left click your mouse, it's going to add a node. Now you can actually do the same thing by right clicking your mouse and add a node. And it's pretty neat because it adds it right in the middle. Now if we take this, you can see this is a line because it's going to keep it in straight line mode. But if we right click it and turn it into a curve, then you get curved lines, but only on that side. Now we're going to take a line that's already curved. I've got three kinds of nodes. I've got a symmetrical node that's like a square that's at a 45-degree angle. I've got a round node that's a smooth node, and I've got a square box that is either a cusp or a line. You can see these are square boxes, and they're a line. But in this case, this square box is a cusp. And a cusp is where you can move one handle without the other handle on the other side moving. This is very, very important. If we take this and we move one handle, it moves both sides. Now, this is a symmetrical node, so it's going to do it symmetrically no matter what you do. This is a smooth node, and watch the difference. I'm going to bring this in, and it's acting like a cusp. Now, it will move to the other side, but if I bring the handle in, it's basically acting like a cusp on that other line. If I kind of keep it perpendicular, I can grow that. Same thing here. I can click on that and kind of, you can see how it's moving both of them. But if I move the arrow handle in, it's really just moving the one further down. So I made my nodes extra large. If you ever want to practice this, all you have to do to go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw, and go right here to Edit Nodes. And you can change the shape of them, but the smooth is round, the symmetrical is at an angle, and the cusp or the straight line is at a box. I'm going to put them back to small and hit OK. And now you can see the difference in the node. I can hardly tell really what they are, unless you're zoomed in. You can tell that that one is round, or that one's square, and that one's round. So with that being round, it is a smooth node, but I can change it. Let me change them back to the big so you can see it better. Go to Options, CorelDraw. Let's put them back to large. And you can change the node at any time. So this is a smooth node, as you can see, but I'm going to right click my mouse and turn it into a cusp. And look what it did. It's solid blue because it's selected. So I can select it, and now only the one side moves. I use cusp a lot when I don't want to change that other side. I want it to act like that. Anyway, I hope that answered a couple of questions, and thank you for watching.